This video is going to review how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. Please remember that the surface area is just the area of the surface, which could be found by finding the area of each of the faces and then adding those areas together. But for specific shapes and prisms, there are formulas we can use. So when we have a formula, we are going to use the formula. The formula for finding the surface area of a rectangular prism is that the surface area is equal to 2 times the length times the width, plus 2 times the length times the height, plus 2 times the width times the height. And the second step would be to plug in. The surface area is equal to. Now to do this, you do need to remember what is each measurement. So for example, I'm going to say that 11 is the length, 3 is the width, and 4 is the height. Once I have a measurement for each thing, or each thing is labeled, I can plug in. The 2 is a 2. The length we just said was 11 centimeters, and the width is 3 centimeters. Copy the plus sign. Copy the 2. The length again is 11 centimeters, and the height is 4 centimeters. Copy the plus sign. Copy the 2. The width is 3 centimeters, and the height is 4 centimeters. Once you've plugged in, you can do the third step, which is to solve using the order of operations. The surface area is equal, and there is nothing inside the parentheses we can do. There are no exponents, but we do have multiplication. We have 3 different sets of multiplication separated by plus signs. We are allowed to do each of the multiplications at the same time. So I would do 2 times 3 is 6, times 11 gives us 66, and centimeters times centimeters gives us centimeters squared. Then 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 11 is 88, and centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. The last section is 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24, and centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. Remember that when you multiply something by itself, it becomes squared. The only thing left is addition, and since they are all addition, we can add. The surface area is equal to 66 plus 88 plus 24 is 178, and the label, since we are doing addition, stays centimeters squared. And that is a review of how you find the surface area of a rectangular prism. You write the formula, you plug into the formula, and then you solve using the order of operations.